Just like how your favorite singer never goes on stage without rehearsing. Your telemedicine appointment begins way before you're in front of the doctor. After you've learned your options through your insurance carrier, there are a few things you can do to get ready. Number 1. Run a tech check. What technology do you have? Whether it's a telephone, computer, or mobile device, make sure to find out the best way to connect with your doctor. Number 2. Bring your notes. Consider a symptom diary, digital pictures, and a list of questions. Number 3. Limit distractions. Pick a quiet and private space ahead of time. Make sure nothing can interrupt your call. Number 4. It's okay to bring support. It's perfectly okay if you need someone to sit with you during the appointment. Number 5. Have your ID and insurance information on hand. Got your checklist? Now you're all set for your appointment.